How to remove deep mouth wrinkles to look younger. Welcome to Herbal Corner, the way to a quick and easy solution to your problem. If you're excited to find out, hit the subscribe button and let's get into the video. A life full of joy and a face surrounded with laughter is something everyone is proud of, but you may not want to reveal the number of years you've been having such a great time due to mouth wrinkles. What are wrinkles? Wrinkles occur when your skin loses collagen. There are the fibers that make your skin firm and supple. Collagen losses occur naturally with age, but there are also other skin components and certain lifestyle habits that may speed up this process. The resulting wrinkles tend to be most prominent around thinner areas of your face, including around the mouth. While wrinkles happen to everyone as they age, there are ways you may help reduce their appearance. You may even be able to take steps to prevent mouth wrinkles from developing prematurely. But first, let's know what causes what we're dealing with. Causes of mouth wrinkles. The mouth area is one of the first spots on your face that develop wrinkles easily due to the thinness of the skin around the mouth, which has less collagen compared to other areas of the face. At age 20, the skin begins to produce an estimated 1% less collagen. And alongside collagen, there are other aspects of the skin aging process to consider, such as a loss of elastin and glycosaminoglycan, GAGs, which all contribute to skin elasticity and hydration respectively. These are known as intrinsic or natural aging. There are also extrinsic factors that may increase your risk for premature wrinkles around the mouth. They are outside influences that speed up this process, such as genetics, dehydration, poor nutrition, smoking, stress, sun damage. Types of mouth wrinkles. While dermatologists refer to mouth wrinkles as perioral wrinkles, there are more specific subtypes of wrinkles around the mouth. Smile lines. Also known as laugh lines or nasolabial folds. Smile lines are the wrinkles that occur along the sides of your mouth that tend to be more noticeable when you laugh or smile. Marionette lines. These are other types of wrinkles that develop with age. They develop vertically from your mouth to your chin, which can create a sagging appearance. Lipstick lines. There are also wrinkles that affect your lip area only, also known as vertical lip lines or smoker's lines. They are lip wrinkles that develop along your upper lip as well as directly on the lips themselves. Now, to erase those smile lines and wrinkles around your mouth and eyes, you don't need to resort to invasive methods because there are plenty of natural remedies and most can be found in your kitchen or neighborhood grocery. Ingredients: papaya, carrot, yogurt, aloe vera. How does it work? Papaya. Papaya contains vitamin C and collagen that makes the skin dense, removes wrinkles, and helps soften the fine lines around the mouth and nasolabial fold. This fruit contains amazing anti-aging properties and enzymes, which helps in boosting your skin elasticity, thus providing you with youthful skin. Also, papaya is loaded with enzymes, such as papain, while banana is rich in vitamins that help in revitalizing your skin. This pulp is a good antidote for premature aging signs. Carrot. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, which promotes collagen production, thereby keeping the skin smooth and wrinkle-free. Eating carrots is great for your health, but applying it to your skin helps exfoliate and tighten it. Erase your laugh lines during breakfast by dabbing carrot juice on your wrinkles. The acid helps tighten loose skin, and the antioxidants fight free radicals. Drinking carrot juice is also recommended for keeping your skin looking vibrant, youthful, and wrinkle-free. Yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid to keep the skin youthful and remove wrinkles from the mouth and face. You know they are coming, but that doesn't mean you can't slow fine lines and wrinkles down a bit naturally. Reduce fine lines and wrinkles from forming with an anti-aging yogurt face mask. The lactic acid in yogurt will help dissolve dead skin and tighten pores. Also, the lactic acid and other natural enzymes present in yogurt cleanse the pores and shrink them. This exerts a tightening effect on the skin, thus reducing the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. Yogurt also diminishes scars and makes your skin smooth. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is known as the best natural ingredient for treating various skin-related issues, and luckily, it also helps in treating the wrinkles around your mouth. Aloe vera is an enriched source of vitamin E, which is a booster for the skin and works excellently in a combination with egg whites. Aloe vera also heals dull skin and its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. The gel of aloe vera contains potent antioxidants which slow down the free radicals that cause skin damage. In a way, aloe vera is one of the best anti-aging home remedies. It repairs the damage from inside out as it encourages cell growth by protecting them from harm. Now enough of the benefits, let's get into how to remove those deep wrinkles around your mouth. Directions. To do that, slice the papaya into 4 parts and blend it. Put the blended papaya into a bowl. Slide a little quantity of carrot and blend it. Transfer into the bowl. Add yogurt to the treatment. Cut the aloe vera to bring out the gel and blend. Turn into the treatment. Use cotton wool to apply on the affected mouth part and wrinkle area. Leave it for minutes and wash off with toilet soap. How often should you use this? Turn into a jar to store and use for 4 to 5 days. Bonus tips. Now that you have the natural remedy to remove the deep mouth wrinkles, what about knowing how to prevent future occurrences? Preventing wrinkles around your lips. While you can't completely prevent the natural aging process that leads to facial wrinkles, it's possible to adopt healthy habits that can help slow down their onset. This includes stop smoking, not using a straw when drinking, drinking plenty of water to stay hydrated, reducing your caffeine and alcohol intake, eating a diet rich in antioxidant foods such as fruits and vegetables, limiting your exposure to the sun by avoiding peak hours and wearing sunscreen every day, getting at least 7 hours of sleep every night, reducing your daily stress at work and home, avoiding body weight fluctuations if possible. A good skincare regime also goes a long way in preventing the onset of premature wrinkles, so make sure you wash your face twice daily and follow up with an anti-aging serum and moisturizer tailored to your skin type. And that is in today's video. Find this video interesting? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments. Give this a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to keep you updated for more amazing videos from Herbal Corner.